that time of year again. Sweep up the Southeast. This year we had 13 teams in 12 national forests across 10 states. Our goal was to collect over 100,000 pounds of trash. I was part of Team Croatan in the Croatan National Forest near the Outer Banks of North Carolina, just north of Emerald Isle. We had a great group of people and even met some locals that made a great choice to help us out. If you know, you know. So grab a cold one and see how we made out.
It wouldn't be a venture unknown cleanup if it wasn't raining. It rained last night from about 3 until 7, and now it's not raining, but it's supposed to rain most of the day. But we got shit to pick up, so let's get after it. How'd you sleep?
Okay.
Just okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Last night was the first night we tried this bad boy out. Better than the air mattress. I'll tell you that much.
This will be a memory he'll make the rest of his life, riding the back of a trailer and going down a trail.
Listen to Wesley talking about peeing.
Yep.
Shingles, mattress, backpack, flannel. What is that? It's a little fountain and one Dr. Martin. I think that's the 4th bag of shingles.
Yeah, there's like a whole
I
house.
keep
worth of
finding
shingles here.
more. They keep running and running.
They're probably
Following
all
it
up underneath.
the way.
If there's like bushes and stuff growing over top of them, I'd almost leave
Well,
them.
there's oyster
Yeah, there's oyster
pile
shells and
there,
stuff,
so
too.
I figured it stopped around there.
Yeah, I would leave those there too. Because that looks like somebody cleaned a bunch of oysters here and just left them. First spot's clean. On to the next one, which happens to be back here. And of course, more shingles. More and more shingles.
Like maybe felt like something was under them.
Yeah, but it can never be too.
Still got the last little bit, but looks like some roofer just decided they didn't want to dump their shingles at the dump. Dragonfly. Take from the first site. Mostly shingles, building supplies. Now we're gonna head on to the second one. I'm not sure if we're gonna dump this first or if we're just gonna head on.
Y'all are missing out. This is fun.
She's the only one on the trailer.
And if you need to bounce my trailer off the tree, it's okay.
I got it twice that time.
Have some beaded necklaces I can throw for you
Got a
guys.
rattlesnake underneath it.
You weren't kidding when this one was deep. Oh, I'm not even there yet.
I'm still here.
I'm the princess and the queen. It's like Disney.
So there's supposed to be a boat up here somewhere that was conveniently disappeared. Oh, we found pieces of the boat up there, I think.
Let's put it back together.
Yeah, let's put it back together and sail it out.
Yeah.
So this is the boat. How is this? Why is it fuzzy? Is this gonna fit in that trailer?
Part of the fiberglass.
So we got to get this into there. Anybody bring a Sawzall?
Now, there was much debate on how to remove the disappeared boat. Cut it up, fold it. Eventually, we decided just to drag the thing out of here.
Come on. Come on.
All right. Good.
Yeah, it's gonna be hairy going through them mud holes though. Well, see how she does.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Got your good side.
At the bottom of the ocean, I'm at the bottom of the sea.
Well, after we had lunch, we met up with our newfound friends who shouldn't have been there, but they were anyway. And picked up the last load of shingles.
Shingles is the disease you can get to, guys.
Yeah, but they have a shot for that now.
Team shingles.
Now, I'm not going to say unloading an entire dump trailer of shingles is fun, because it's really not. This was a big pain in the butt. Eventually, we ended up just dumping half of the trailer out and just loading it by hand. The day after a cleanup, we usually do some sightseeing to kind of remind ourselves of why we spent an entire Saturday picking up trash. But first, we needed the obligatory Overlander vehicle group shot in a parking lot at a gas station. After that, we decided to drive down to Emerald Isle and visit Fort Macon, which is actually pretty neat. You should go there sometime.
All the gun holes and everything.
That's great. There's no light good sound. And we come in here for like field trips and stuff. And I just see
Wait, they got a daily ration of ribeye? I want a daily ration of steak. What's up, bitches?
And of course, well, there was sand, which meant there was a beach, so we had to go check that out, even though it was a little windy and chilly. Team Croatan removed 16,580 pounds, mostly shingles, of trash in one day. At the time this video was uploaded, with about half of the teams reporting, we had collected over 57,000 pounds of trash, which is more than halfway to our goal. The volunteer hours ended up giving the U.S. Forest Service a total of $31,868 that goes towards their budget, which means both of those numbers are just going to get higher. This is just a drop in the bucket for what needs to be done in order to ensure that the forests stay open for all of us and future generations. I urge you to at least go check out the Venture Unknown Foundation website and the Facebook group. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cheers.